Guys, welcome back to a beautiful day on Bright Light Valley. Today we're gonna do some mowing. I don't know if by now you might have seen a video from the new piece of machinery that we got. I'll walk over here and show you just in case you haven't seen it yet. Let me see if you can see it. Yeah, right here. This is it. You can't really see it that well right now, but we're gonna show you what this thing can do, and we're gonna show you the progress we made in the last couple days.
Look how tall the grass is here, how big, and this is what we have to mow everything.
Well, one thing's for sure, we need protection to work in these things, because I don't know if you can tell my arms. These are a couple days old, but that's from all this grass here. It's sharp as a blade. So, well, we need that. So the machine's over there. I don't know if you can tell. So I'm gonna take this path over here that we mowed yesterday or the day before yesterday. And I'm gonna go on the other side so you guys can see what it looks like when it comes out of the bush. And well, in order to get through that bush, my dad's gonna be pushing the mower and he's gonna be wearing all that. Dad, look over here. See? The helmet, gloves, sleeves, everything. So, well, we'll see you on the other side. And you can't even see the mower, but it is definitely eating it up. He's in a ditch right now. As you can see, it's way down there right now, the mower. But it's pulling itself out. It's coming through right now. We're probably gonna have to make two paths to make it actually a proper path. I'm gonna get out of the way. So yes, you guessed it. It's the end of the video. Well, thank you guys for watching this. We done quite a bit in this video. I'll just give you a quick view of everything that we've done. And then, well, catch you next time. Well, that's what we did. And then over there, I know, camera flattens everything out and it, well, makes everything look smaller. But this is actually quite a big pasture at this point already. We have been able to mow a lot since we got the new mower. Here we go. As you can see, this is all open now. This used to be grass, well, just as tall as it is over there. So yeah, that's what we did in this video, and thank you for watching.